What's up mga besh? Kakatapos ko ng morning script for tomorrow's graduation. Parents meeting. School. So it's 8 a.m. Okay, time check. It's already 11:04, but I would like to share with you snacks that I have bought from Miniso. So meron din pala silang mga snacks doon, not only apparels. Okay, let's start with this first one. It's tomato flavored fries. It's only 69 pesos. Ano kaya lasa nito? Let me taste one. Manamis-namis. Parang kamote. Manamis-namis at hindi siya ganun ka-crunchy, but I'm just soft. And thick yung kanyang texture. Okay, next. I only have 3 here. We're doing the first one. Next is this roasted and salted pistachios. Okay. Let me have just one answer. Nilagyan ko pa ito ng tag. Bago ko ilagay sa rep sa akin. Para hindi na kainin at meron akong it taste test vlog. Okay, ayan. May balat pa siya, guys. Okay, ito yung loob niya. Of course, yung loob ang kakainin ko. Itong imported. Gusto ko itong pistachios sa fries. Ano there? They also have this dried strawberries. It's premium sweetened. Let me pick one. Ang bagay ko na lasa nito. Ganyan yung edge ko rin niya, guys. Okay. Not bad. Ang sarap. I'm on dried mango, my dried strawberries. It's my first time to taste it. It's kind of a snack. Sarap. So out of the 3, okay, ang pinakagusto ko yung pistachio. And sige, as well as yung strawberry. But I'm not telling that this tomato flavored fries is not good. It's also good. I just like more of the pistachios and the dried strawberry. Till next time. Bye, guys. Good night.